What are you doing? Ricco? What are you doing? I thought I told you you're not allowed to go back there. No, don't me. You know better. You know better. Don't ignore me. That's dangerous. I told no. What are you doing with that? Of course you want to play peekaboo. Ricco. Ricco, I'm talking to you. Can you turn around to me? Yep. Is that what you're doing back there? I told you you're not allowed back there because it's dangerous. Okay? You bad boy. You're a bad boy. Right? Yes. Don't try and sweet talk me with your okay? Yeah. I'm talking to you. Yep. Your name is Ricco, right? Yep. You being a good boy or a bad boy? You gotta go to bed soon, sweetheart. Yep. You gotta go bedtime, okay? Okay, Ricco? Yeah, we'll play and then you gotta go to bed, okay? Okay? Come on, let's go get out of there. Come on. Let's go. Come on. You gonna come? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. It's danger. Let's go. Up. Up. Break. Come on. Come on. You're giving me the side eye, right? With my finger. Okay, come on. Let's go. Be a good boy. Come on. Come on. Good boy.